It was a positive week for major U.S. indexes. The Nasdaq once again led gains, advancing 1.12%, followed by the S&P 500 up 0.92% and the Dow Jones gaining 0.55%. April capped off a strong rebound in equities. The S&P 500 surged 10.4% for the month, while the Nasdaq jumped 15.3%. This marks the best month since 2020 for both. Key economic data this week will focus on the labor market and consumer sentiment. On Tuesday, May 5th, the JOLTS report, Job Openings and Labor Turnover Survey, will offer important insights into the labor market. On Friday, May 8th, the monthly jobs and unemployment report will be released, one of the most closely watched indicators of labor market strength. That same day, the preliminary consumer sentiment report will provide a timely look into consumer sentiment. Within mega-cap tech, a clear divide has emerged. Investors are rewarding companies where AI and cloud investments are driving tangible revenue growth, while penalizing those accelerating spending without a clear near-term return. Fed Chair Jerome Powell delivered his last press conference as chair. The Federal Reserve left interest rates unchanged as widely expected. However, the decision saw dissent from 4 of 12 members, an unusually high level of disagreement not seen since 1992, highlighting growing divisions on the future path of rates. Kevin Warsh has been nominated to be next Fed chair. In stocks, Amazon delivered a strong beat, with AWS growing 28%. Its fastest pace in over 3 years. Shares rose 2.73% for the week. Apple also exceeded expectations, driven by solid iPhone demand and continued strength in China. The company recently announced a CEO transition from Tim Cook to John Ternus in September 2026. Apple shares gained 4.68%. Meanwhile, Meta reported their first user decline and raised CapEx estimates, sending shares 10-30% lower. Microsoft posted strong results led by Azure, but softer guidance on revenue and margins, alongside higher CapEx, weighed on sentiment. Google stood out as the top performer, with revenue up 22%, Google Cloud surging 63%, and backlog nearly doubling. Shares gained 9.96%. For real planning and a strategy session on your financial future, call us at 775-444-9335. Let's filter out the noise together.